Hello everyone. Today's lesson is about how to tackle a text, understand its content and answer the questions. The first thing you do is to take a look at the text. Don't read it, just look at it and search for signs. The title can sometimes reveal what the text will be about. References at the end of the text help to identify the text. If it's an article, the magazine, or newspaper's names are mentioned. The author's name is also mentioned. If the text is an extract from a book, illustrations around it might help. After doing that, you start the first reading. It has to be fast, which means you don't have to focus on the details. Try to answer the following interrogative words: who, what, when, where, how, and why. Try to extract the principal ideas of each paragraph while doing the second reading. So we have come to the end of this lesson. If you understood it, click here to move on to the next one. And if you didn't understand anything, restart the video again. See you guys next!